Is your plant looking sad or dying? Don't throw it away yet. Many plants recover fast with simple fixes. Let's get started. Sign 1. Wilting leaves. Underwatering, overwatering, root rot pests, heat or cold, grubs, or low humidity. Fix. Test soil moisture 1 to 2 inches deep with your finger or use a meter. Water thoroughly if dry. Let it dry out and improve drainage if soggy. Sign 2. Yellow leaves. What it means: overwatering, low light, or nutrient deficiencies. Nutrition, iron, magnesium. Fix. Check drainage, adjust light watering. Use half-strength balanced fertilizer. Inspect roots if yellowing persists. Sign 3. Brown leaf tips. Low humidity, fertilizer salts, erratic watering, or tap water chemicals. Fix. Use a pebble tray or humidifier, better than misheating. Flush soil monthly to remove salts. Trim brown trees and water consistently. Sign 4. Slow or no growth. What it means: root-bound conditions, low nutrients, light, or winter dormancy. 1 to 3 months normal. Fix. If stalled for months, check for crickling roots. Repot in a slightly larger pot with a fresh mix. Verify light or water needs. Sign 5. Pests or mold. Stress from overwatering. Low airflow attracts aphids, spider mites, scale, or mold. Fix. Remove affected birds. Treat pests with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Improve airflow. Reduce watering. Report for severe cases. Extra tips. Always check the soil before watering. Prevents 80% of problems. Match the light to your plant species. Use pots with drainage holes, the right size. Clean leaves regularly for better light uptake and early pest detection.